Hi everyone, welcome to Vlogmas. It's actually the 4th of December, oops. But I'm going to be dyeing my hair. My sister is going to be helping me. She's just going to get some tin foil to use because I'm running out of mine. But I bought some new bleach and this is the Schwarzkopf stuff, so hopefully it's good. And I'm going to attempt to do some like balayage highlight things. I've been watching a few YouTube videos and I picked up this comb which supposedly like splits your hair without you having to like weave. So we'll see if it works. Kirsty's here with the foil. So yeah, that's basically how we're kicking off this vlog, is with a little hair dyeing situation. So the next kind of section is probably going to be mostly a time lapse because we're going to be probably really concentrated. But yes, this is a before of my hair. I've even got the cape and everything. I am professional. I'm literally just about to mix the bleach and I just want to tell you this actually smells really good. Like normally obviously it smells of ammonia, but this actually smells nice and it comes with a little thing. So I assume you're supposed to do like equal parts.
Doesn't it tell you on the books?
I don't read instructions. We're just going to YOLO it.
Well, that's quite a lot, isn't it?
Should we just do that to
Let's
start
just do
with?
one, because then that's easier to...
And then I can make it more.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so like... You know how box bleach is really thick and like...
Bloopy.
Yeah, look at it, it's really smooth. Invest in your bleach, kids. It makes the difference. Look how nice that looks.
Alrighty then.
Let's get going. To explain how the comb works, my sister's pulling it through my hair and it basically separates your hair in two parts, and then she's taking the top part and using that part to highlight. So she's just putting a foil down and then using the bleach on the ends and then kind of blending it up the hair. But the comb made it really easy. I really recommend. It'll be linked in the bio. Here's another clip showing you how it works. So she's putting it up through my hair and then it's separating the two parts, the top and the bottom, and taking the top part, and that's the bit that she is going to be putting the bleach on. She's also concentrating on the lower part of my hair, partly because my hair is got bleach underneath it, so I didn't want to hit my roots at all because they're natural and it would go a different shade of bleach, different shade of blonde, not bleach. So we stuck to the bottom kind of section of my hair, and then I double checked what she was doing with my mirror and asked her to blend it up a little bit more to make sure that there was a really gradual change from the auburn brown to the blonde. So this is what my hair is looking like. We obviously put it all in foils and I've done the front pieces. It seems to be lifting really well. We'll see how it goes. My sister wasn't giving me much confidence. So fingers crossed it turns out okay, otherwise I'm going to be wearing wigs for the foreseeable. Fingers crossed. I'll see you when this is all done. Good morning everyone. Look at my hair. So this is 1 day old hair, hence why it looks a bit bitty. But oh my god, I'm really happy with how it turned out. I'm going to Brighton today, do some Christmas shopping, and also I have a voucher for some Krispy Kreme donuts that runs out in like 4 days. I was like, I need to get the Krispy Kreme donuts. Yeah, I wanted to show you my hair. I'm really happy with how it looks. I also did my extensions, so I'm just going to finish drying them off. I'm going to clip them in and see if they work or not. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I clip in my extensions now that I have short hair, because they don't blend as well as when my hair was longer, obviously, but I thought I'd show you how I best do it. So I take the first section is always as thin as I can get it, because this is where it really shows you've got extensions in. So I do that and then I back comb it a little bit, and then I take a 2 clip. Honestly, I didn't dye these the best but here we are. And for anyone that has extensions, tangle teasers are amazing. This is the wet detangler brush and it's my favourite brush. It just is so gentle on your hair and goes through any tangles. And then I am going to style it. I am just going to take my wand and wrap this around and leave the tails out. This is the Babyliss 2 or 3 inch wand. It's my favourite curling wand. It gives you those like big curls. Hold it in my hand to cool and then release. So I'm just going to continue doing that up my hair, taking kind of like small sections of hair. So I'm gonna go do the rest of my hair off camera and come back to you when it's done at the end. Ta-da! I'm gonna have to move back to like show it, but I am slightly obsessed with how my hair looks. I'm gonna just brush out the curls. What do you think? I'm kind of like obsessed with this. Obviously it's not perfect because I have short hair, but I think I did a pretty good dye job. Let me know what you guys think. I need to go because I'm running late, but I'm obsessed.
I don't wanna fight with you.